Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Maps platform. This gives you access to Maps, Places, and Routes APIs. Once enabled, add a billing account. Google requires billing for quota and to avoid service interruptions. Next, generate an API key and immediately restrict it by HTTP refers or IP addresses to prevent unauthorized use. Make sure to copy the key now. You will use it in your app or website configuration files in the next steps. Now integrate the Maps SDK into your app or site. For web, include the Maps JavaScript library with your API key. For Android or iOS, add the native SDK dependency and place the key in the proper manifest or plist. Then initialize the map object with center coordinates and zoom level, and add essential controls like zoom, map type, and full screen. Once done, test panning and markers locally, and verify console for any loading or quota errors so you can address them quickly. Finish by enabling additional APIs like Places for search and autocomplete, and geocoding for address lookup. These extend functionality beyond a simple map. Next, implement markers, info windows, and route drawing as needed, and ensure mobile responsiveness and API key restrictions match production domains. Monitor usage in Cloud Console, set quotas or alerts to control costs, and check error logs. If the map fails to load, verify API key restrictions, billing status, and browser console errors as your first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.